Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Rahul FX. So today we'll be going through the trade I took in which I passed my equity edge one step challenge in a single trade. Not in a single trade exactly, but I gained the maximum number of percentage in this single trade, $150, as you can see in the screenshot in the website. So today we'll be analyzing the trade, why did I take the trade, how I took the trade out, and currently I'm on a like out of 10 last 10 trades I took all 9 were profitable trades. So this strategy of mine clearly is working very good for me. It is basically a higher time frame strategy, not all that ICT bullshit and all that. I've wasted a lot of time in learning the ICT bullshit. So yeah, at the end I found out that ICT is not working for me, and I don't think it works for anyone. There are some people that just take the trade, like the market runs out, then they place their stop loss and entry in the demo and all, and they show that they are profitable and all that. Why? So rather than doing that bullshit, I would hope to find a better edge in the market. So I found my edge in the market is basically analyzing with higher time frame. So I analyze the weekly, daily, and 4 hour to find out the daily bias, overall trend of the market. Sorry. Then I place my entry in either 1 hour or 30 minutes. Sometimes I place in 15 minutes when I don't have daily comfort area of interest. So if you have not watched my previous videos, I will highly recommend go and watch that because I have explained why I've taken the past trades in that. So if you watch all the three before videos, you will understand which confirmation I take the trade on. So let's get on with the top down analysis. So I'll do a quick top down analysis. This is how I do a top down analysis. So we can go on the weekly time frame. I will not like to take it very back, so let's just do it from here only. So I mark only the structural point. As you can see, all these are structural points. So as you can see, the weekly time frame is very clearly in a bearish state. The market is creating lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. After that, it broke the structure and created a higher high and higher low. If you have not understand what is market structure, do comment down below. I will bring a video on what is market structure because many people have the wrong idea of what market structure means. So this is a clearly a bearish state. As you can see, the weekly is bearish. See now let's we'll go to daily time frame. See the dailies. I'm not going to do a arrow again. Just you can see that the daily is also in a bearish state. Don't mind this blue candle because I had taken the trade yesterday. Yesterday around 12 p.m. So this candle was from yesterday only, but I had taken the trade in the first half of the day, so it doesn't matter. And I also like to trade the head and shoulder pattern. Many of the think that head and shoulder pattern doesn't work, but it very accurately works for me. So I'm using it. When it will stop working, I will stop using it. Yeah. So daily is also bearish trade. So as you can see, weekly is also bearish. So I'm just going to write over here. Weekly bearish, daily bearish. Let's see the 4 hour what it is. So 4 hour, if you can see, 4 hours also bullish because market is getting lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. In after the market has closed below this last structural point, then the market has become lower low. So the market is in bearish. So we go to the daily time frame. I can write bearish. So all once the three time frame and aligns with itself. So if any of the time frame doesn't align with itself, I will just skip to this pair because there is a lot of pair in the market. If you go to Forex, some people say I did only Euro USD or GBP USD. Don't care about all that because like there are so many pair in the market. Why do you limit yourself to only one pair and one session at a time? If you can have so many pairs at a time and you can analyze it, what's wrong in analyzing the trades? So there are so many. I just move on to different pair. Right? So yes. So now once the three pair aligns, I move the pair to the top priority. So if it doesn't align, I move it to the down priority. I do this top down analysis on Sunday. So as you can see, the head and shoulder pattern is also forming beautifully in this trade. See, if we go to here, we go to head and shoulder. So this is the left head, right shoulder, then the retest. So I take the trade, basically I'll explain you how I take the trade. So this is the left shoulder, then the head, then the right shoulder, then after it forms the right shoulder, it comes to retest this structural point, or you can see this neckline. Once it retests, it goes a more below. So I will explain you in just understand how the head and shoulder pattern works. It retests this neckline basically. I take a trade once it retests this neckline and it is working for me perfectly. Like very few times it will not work out. So if you have your risk management on point, you are going to be profitable. And I'm not saying just use this head and shoulder pattern all the time. Just when you can see the market clearly is in a head and shoulder pattern. So why not use it? So if you go into the lower time frame, so as you can see market is creating in the lower time frame also it is market is creating left head and shoulder. See if you can see the higher time frame, this is a left head, right shoulder. So as you can see the retest of the neckline. So as this was the trade, as you can see if I zoom out, so it is what is the head and shoulder pattern? It is the basically retest of the neckline to go even below. So this is the neckline. So I marked out the neckline as you can see. So then see once it breaks below the neckline, then it comes above, then it gives a entry. So I was finding an opportunity to get here, but there was news in this. So as you can see, 18 p.m. So the platform which I use that doesn't allow news trading. So I thought I have missed the trade. So my basic entry would have been here. This would have been the perfect entry. I would have placed my stop loss in this structural point. So this is the perfect 1:4 trade. But as there was news, so I thought I have missed the trade. So I have forgotten about this. Then I placed a alert over here. Then when I was in my phone, I was checking. Suddenly I saw that the market again has reached here. So now if you go to the lower time frame, 15 minutes, as you can see, the market is creating very bullish time frame. So as the market has reached this neckline, the bullish candlesticks became very small. So this another also indicates that the bullish trend is somewhat in the reverse trend. And the second confirmation I have is the retest of the neckline. It's going to retest of the neckline, and overall also it is in a bearish. So after I have confirmed everything, I don't look for fucking order block, fair value gap, and all that shit. So in ICT, if you trade, if you wait for order block and fair value gap every trade, you're going to miss majority of the trades. So instead of doing that, as the market, I'll show you zoom out. See, as the market has closed below the structural point, see as the market slowed the momentum, then the first bearish candle had appeared. Then I was ready to take a trade. I didn't place an entry. After this second, excuse me, after this second candle involved the last previous four candle, then I placed an entry, and as you can see, within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, I had gotten my take profit. So this was a perfect trade for me. It played out very well. I closed my trade somewhere around here. Yeah, so I didn't predict enough. See, as you can see, if I had like sometimes I sit and forget. So if I had placed my entry here and then just sit and forget it, as you can see, the market would have given me perfect 1:3, and just for with if I touch the stop loss or not, it will just hit my stop loss and go even higher. So yeah, I have not been greedy. I took a 1:3. As you can see in the screenshot, I reached around $50 to make $0.150. Like perfect 1:3 trade. As you can see, perfect 1:3 trade. Yeah. So as I entered the trade, it gave me a pretty good bearish engulfing move, as you can see. So one candle, two candle only covered most of this upward move. Yeah. So as you can see here also, if you can make out here, this is also a lower time frame left, head, right shoulder, then the retest of the neckline. This was my initial entry. This was the perfect entry as you can see. If the performance allowed news trading and all, I would have made so much money. See, this was the perfect trade. Like there cannot be any trade that's more perfect than this. 1:5. See, this was the perfect trade. Now, if in this situation I was waiting for water block and fair value gap, I would basically miss my entry. So yeah, ICT. I realized that the full form of ICT is I can't trade. So I removed that completely from my trading journey. So as you can see, I have missed this, but okay, just the news. So the market had come again and give me perfect entry, and I have captured it. As you can see, that I have predicted this move also, because whatever structural point I mark, that is very beneficial to me. When I go to daily time frame and weekly time frame and mark out all this, it basically shows the market. It basically shows me how the market is trying to move. I was planning an entry over here, but I touched the two accounts, so I'm trying to not force any trades and all that. So yeah. So now I'll show you my equity edge account. So as you can see, this is equity edge submit. So as you can see, Nifty. First one step, meta there. I have passed this. Fast as you can see, fast. Let's go to the two does as you can see. You can see everything. Let's go to credit TLC. So yes, as you can see, this only NZD CAD I had entered over here. Somewhere around I had entered over here somewhere previously. So when the market had come here, I had forgotten that I need to wait for a candle to close below this. As you can see, this candle is close below this. If I taken an entry here, then it would have been perfect for the performance. Then I would have gotten. But in a hurry, I took the trade over here, somewhere around here. Then it hit directly my stop loss because of miss entry. But the trade which I've analyzed, everything is perfect. Just because of my experience, I was I had to wait for the structural close below this area of interest. As you can see, the area of interest which I have marked. I am not going to reveal any area of interest how I mark and all that, so that will be too much. So yes, after the candle had closed below, I should have placed my entry over here and stop loss above this high. So as you can see, then I would have take profit. But I had placed my entry over here somewhere on the just like I thought I will capture some more pips. It directly went and hit my stop loss. Yes, so you can see one trade only $153, and my basically whichever profitable trades I have, all are in sell. If you have seen my previous videos also, all are in sell. Like all the trades previous I have taken, all are in sell. I don't know how that makes out, but as you can see, NZ cat. Yeah. So I don't know what to do. This is what the program also do. I'll see the profit. Well, yes. So 3 September, I had $150. Not 3 September, this is 13 September. I don't know what is it. So yeah, I passed this. Now I need to do the KYC and all that. So after I finish I will do the KYC today. After I finish the KYC, I will get my phase one up phase live red account. This was a one step challenge. So yes, one step I passed it. After I do the KYC verification, I have to sign the contract also. Then I will get my live funded account. So I will bring out videos. If you have any suggestion, what I need to improve, what I need to show more and all that, you can comment down below. I hope you like the video. Yeah, thanks for watching. So yeah, if you need help in anything, you can comment down below. I will be sure to check out your comment. So yeah, this is the perfect trade. So I entered over here. It worked out pretty well for me. So I'm planning next week. I'm planning a trade on USD So yeah, I will let you know if I get the trade. See, as you can see, the market is this is my area of interest. The market is reacting perfectly from here. So yeah, if you haven't watched the previous videos, I will highly recommend go and watch those. And thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye.